Okay, this next trick starts with a hip target. She's being a little bit of an overachiever. Good girl. Start by asking for a hip on the door. Hip. Good girl. Good girl. But she's really pushing. Good girl. Yay! Okay, break. Keeping my hand as a target. Hip. Hip. Yes. Good girl. Right at the edge of the door. I could also take a little post-it note and put it right where I want her hip to be. As a transition. Good girl. Good girl. Yay! Hip. Yes, good girl. Until I have her from different angles. Hip. Kiss hip. Yes, leaning against the refrigerator. Good girl. Then I'll start, okay, over here, to open the door a tiny bit. Hip. Yes, good girl. Up, wrong way. Hip. Close the door. Yes, good. Whoops, almost. Hip. Hip. Yes, good girl. Hip. Hip. Good girl. Good girl. Hip. Hip. Yes, good girl. Yay for you. You're doing it to shoulder. Kiss. Come here. Hip. Yes. Good girl. And again, at first the movement may freak them out, so you gotta go real slow. Good girl. Hip. Yay! Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Yay for you. Kissy.